Ladies and gentlemen, let's start with this year's Mutya ng Upaw second runner-up.
Our Mutya ng Upaw second runner-up will be awarded by Miss Honorable Kagawan Felix Castillo. She will be receiving a sash and a cash prize.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Mutya ng Upaw second runner-up is Mutya number. Congratulations, Mutya number 7. Congratulations, Mutya number 7. This year's Mutya ng Upaw second runner-up. Once again, congratulations, Mutya ng Upaw second runner-up, Mutya number 7. Next, ladies and gentlemen, this year's Mutya ng Upaw first runner-up.
Our Mutya ng Upaw first runner-up will be awarded by Honorable Kagawan Elio Abdul and Judge number 1. She will be receiving a sash and a cash prize.
Ladies and gentlemen, Mutya ng Upaw first runner-up is Mutya number. Congratulations, Mutya number. She is no other than Mutya number 5. Once again, congratulations, Mutya number 5. Ladies and gentlemen, it's now time for the crown. Let's start with Mutya ng Upaw Culture and Arts.
Our Mutya ng Upaw Culture and Arts will be awarded by Honorable Kagawan Eljan Johnson together with Judge number 2. She will be receiving a sash, a crown, and a cash prize.
Ladies and gentlemen, this year's Mutya ng Upaw Culture and Arts is Mutya number. Who's your man? Congratulations, Mutya number 2. Once again, congratulations, Mutya number 3, our Mutya ng Upaw Culture and Arts. Ayan, congratulations once again. Thank you also to our presenter. At this point in time, can we request our 2 remaining ladies to please be at the center stage? This time, everyone, I am going to announce first the Mutya ng Upaw 2024. And the number that I will not be calling, she is automatically the Mutya ng Upaw Tourism.
Our Mutya ng Upaw Tourism will be awarded by the Honorable Dato Alfredo Nawal and Judge number 3. She will be receiving a cash, a crown, and a sash. And our Mutya ng Upaw 2024 will be awarded by our Honorable Barangay Captain Maricel Vistal and the Chairman of the Board. She will be receiving a sash, a crown, and a cash.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this is the most important role that our reigning Mutya ng Upao should remember. If any reason that the reigning Mutya ng Upao cannot fulfill her duty, automatically, the first runner-up will take her place, or our Mutya ng Turismo. Again, ang una ko pong tatawagin is our Mutya ng Upao 2024. Ang numero hindi ko po tatawagin, siya po ang ating Mutya ng Turismo. Ladies and gentlemen, people of Barangay Upao, the Mutya ng Upao 2024 is no other than candidate number. Sino? You shine the brightest because you are the Mutya ng Upao 2024 Mutya number. Congratulations, Mutya number. Alright, again, ugma ang combination program magsugod sa alas 7 sa buntag.